Well, here we go again. So just trying to track down, I don't know if you can see it. And obviously it already leaked out, but it's leaked out again. It seems to be on the firewall in front of the driver's side, which I've already taken off all the plastics while I was trying to figure out where the leak was coming. It's not something, even though you can see all the splashing, that's just all the steam. So I suspect it is, oh, well, I don't have to suspect anymore. I can see it right now. I'm not that good. I went online and just started looking up issues, and this one seemed to come up pretty consistently, so now that I know what I was looking for and look where to look, you just saw me notice that live. So let me see where the other end is. Oh, there it is. So I looked out, and this looks like a common part that breaks. So it looks like pretty daunting. I mean, look at this engine. Look at where it is. But it turns out that you just can remove all this, this, and this plastic piece. That actually gives you pretty easy access from the videos that I have seen. So, as tight as that looks, it could be way worse. I was originally concerned it was going to be way behind the back of this engine, which would have been horrendous. So I am going to order a part probably before I even dig into it.